Okay, this is more funny fan games.
Part 2.
Part
no
2.
Felina. No Felina though.
Oh.
Pass it back, pass it back, pass it back.
Okay, let's try it again.
Alright. Take 2.
Take 2.
Okay, I have more. This is underwear though. This is John's underwear.
Underwear flies good.
Yeah, it really does. It almost got stuck on there.
How does money do?
Okay.
No. No, let's not throw bills up in the...
Oh, shite. Okay. Alright. Look out of my way. I can't reach it.
Do not try this at home.
No.
We are professional fan throwers.
Fan throwers! Okay. Bad TV.
Oh my god, that's the funniest.
That was horrible.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, we have to stop. The battery's starting to run low. Oh no, it got stuck up at the top.
Damn it! Stupid fan! That didn't get it down, but okay.
Okay, say goodbye.